Like every year, this year too the Falcon institutions achieved phenomenal success in the NEET exam results. To honor this remarkable achievement, an inspiring event was organized to congratulate and uplift these NEET toppers, their proud parents, and the dedicated staff of Falcon. The celebration was a testament to the hard work, perseverance, and excellence of the students and the unwavering support from their families and educators. On the occasion, the director of Falcon Institutions, Dr. Abdul Subhan, proudly announced that over 120 students from the institution have qualified for free MBBS seats under the government quota, a testament to their relentless hard work and top-notch academic preparation. Highlighting the exceptional achievements, Dr. Subhan revealed that this year's results underscore the importance of dedication and the robust guidance provided by Falcon's educators, CAU, led with the unwavering support from parents.
हर साल फाल्कन के दामन में खुशियां आती हैं जब भी नतायज आते हैं, लेकिन 2024 के जो नतायज है, फाल्कन के स्टूडेंट्स पूरे फाल्कनाइट्स ने ऐसे नतायज दिए जिससे पूरा हम खुद दंग रह गए हैं देख के इनके नतायज को, क्या ऐसे बेहतरीन नतायज है। हर साल हमेशा पहले जो होता था कि 650 के ऊपर कभी कभी एक स्टूडेंट रहते थे, आज 650 जो नीट के मार्क्स हैं आउट ऑफ 720, उसमें 10 से ज्यादा बच्चे 650 जो टॉप मोस्ट परफॉर्मेंस हो सकती है, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऐसा परफॉर्मेंस बच्चों ने दिया है फाल्कन के। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हमें सबसे बड़ी खुशी ये है कि जो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैं, जो इनका सिलेक्शन है, वो रेशो फाल्कन का कर्नाटक में हाईएस्ट बनता नजर आ रहा है। मोर देन 120 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जो मेडिकल सीट लेने के काबिल बन रहे हैं। ये जो नतायज हम देख रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से ये हमारे जो परफॉर्मेंस है स्टूडेंट्स के, बड़े यूनिक परफॉर्मेंस इसलिए है क्योंकि 50% रिजल्ट ऑफ फाल्कन के जो टॉप परफॉर्मर्स है वो पूरे फर्स्ट टाइम अटेम्प्ट करने वाले बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने नीट का एग्जाम पहली मर्तबा लिखा है, 12th का बोर्ड एग्जाम लिखा है और 12th के बोर्ड एग्जाम में टॉप मार्क्स लाए हैं और नीट में उन्होंने 650, 660, 670 ऐसे परफॉर्मेंस बच्चों ने लाए हैं।
NEET toppers, while sharing their experience, said, Falcon institutions not only helped us excel academically but also taught us life lessons. The support and guidance we received were unparalleled.
I'm very glad to announce my result, that is 676. To actually dream and work, dedicate themselves to fulfill their dreams. And I would thank all the teachers for bringing such an excellent result of Falcon. I would suggest all my juniors and NEET 2025 aspirants to dedicate yourself until and unless you don't achieve your goal.
My name is Ifat Fatima. My score is 661. We knew about Falcon. We joined here, and these 2 years have been one of the most wonderful years. Not just because of the result, but because of the journey itself. Because of what I learned and developed as a person. Here, you not itself develop academically, you not grow with your knowledge, but you also learn the lessons of life, which are so essential to build you as a human being.
In my first attempt, I scored around 480. All the teachers, Subhan sir, their encouragement, the teaching, it's already top class teaching. I need to serve my community as a doctor, as an educated person, to lead the community and society.
I'm Dhanyashri, and today I'm standing here with a score of 645 in NEET 2024. My family support is very crucial because I had did the hard work. I didn't have the direction which I got in Falcon. The direction from Subhan sir, the direction which I got from my teachers is very impressive. I am very, very, very thankful to my mom and my brother. I am very grateful to them. And I am very, very, very grateful to Subhan sir. He used to encourage. I had that mindset in my mind that Subhan sir आ जाए तो next week इससे अच्छा marks लेना है, हर week Subhan sir से chocolate लेना है करके.
I scored 646. All my father told me every time was to serve the nation, to serve the ummah. So I thought I can get into this field. and serve the people. Also, I like to teach people. So education is also one which I would try.
My name is Kokila Aishwarya and I have secured 664 marks in NEET. Falcon Group of Institution to provide me and teach me. Their coaching is very good, and I would thank the teachers. Their teaching, I have never seen their teaching like nobody have teach that extent, and work hard until you get what you want.
My name is Nasheen Fatima. I have scored 645 in NEET. I thank my parents, Abdul Jawan sir, my teachers and everyone. Their encouragement and belief in me make me stand here today, alhamdulillah.
नॉर्थ इंडिया यूपी से बिलोंग करता हूँ। मेरे पेरेंट्स का मेन गोल जो था इधर आने का वो था एजुकेशन क्वालिटी, जो नॉर्थ इंडिया में नहीं रहती जितनी साउथ इंडिया में है। उसी वजह से मेरे अबू चाहते थे कि मतलब मैं कुछ ऐसा बनूं जिसकी वजह से मैं आगे जाके जो अपनी नॉर्थ इंडिया की क्वालिटी है एजुकेशन की उसको बेटर कर सकूं, अपनी कम्युनिटी को सर्व कर सकूं। देन टीचर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो हमेशा मुझे ये याद रहेगा कि टीचर्स मेन होता है। स्टूडेंट का उतना बड़ा रोल नहीं होता जितना टीचर्स का होता है, और वो टीचर्स थे इधर जिसकी वजह से मैं आज जो भी बन सका हूँ, मतलब मैं सोचा नहीं था।
These NEET toppers exemplify the spirit of perseverance, reminding aspiring students that every challenge is an opportunity waiting to be conquered. This event not only celebrated success but also motivated everyone to continue striving for greatness.